What's the one thing that's holding you back from achieving the wellness goals you've been dreaming of? And is it really worth breaking the bank over? For a lot of people, it's the constant search for that perfect supplement to help with weight loss and digestion. But here's the thing, my friend. Sometimes the simplest and most effective solutions are right in front of us, and that's where the gelatin trick comes in. By incorporating the gelatin trick into your daily routine, you can start to notice a real difference in how you feel, without having to shell out a fortune for expensive supplements. The gelatin trick is all about using a natural ingredient that's probably already in your kitchen to help support your overall health and wellness. As you start to make the gelatin trick a part of your daily ritual, you'll begin to wake up without that sluggish feeling, and you'll start to notice that your digestive system is running more smoothly. If you're ready to ditch the pricey supplements and give the gelatin trick a try, be sure to check out the link in the description below for more information, and take a look at the pinned comment for some helpful tips to get you started with the gelatin trick. Head to the link now and start feeling the benefits of the gelatin trick for yourself.